Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com, making this small video about trades, weekly recap and trades taken last week, which ended today, right, Friday. Right now it's 9:44 p.m. So let's get started. I have it open here. Yeah. All right. So this is the first trade, and it was on Saturday. Last Saturday, it was 28th, and Bitcoin is open. So Bitcoin trade entry is right there. The yellow mark shows buy entry and SL move to break even. Plus, this is the entry right there, according to my setup rules, and taken by CTS 7. I have it CTS 5 here because it's a simple version, but for everybody else I give out there is a CTS 7, which has more feature. So anyway, so let's go. This is the first one, and then the second one on March 1st. Aussie yen 7-minute chart, buy orders right there. Again, by the book entry, 50 pip here. And this is Bitcoin again. This is the entry here on the March 2nd. And I made the video about the Bitcoin that is going to go up, and it's been going up. Last week, the last couple of days, it dropped, but it was going up. And this drop is also a retracement, so probably it's going to turn around and go up again next week, and I'll be all over it. So this is a Euro USD going to the downside for 60 pip. Nice entry on March 2nd. This is Euro USD from 20-minute chart. This is 7-minute chart entry, right? So if you know how I trade, every 40-minute chart has this written here. See that? After having a reversal candle, which is like a turning point, confirmation, then the first entry I get two entries most of the time. Sometimes only get one, but sometimes two, right? So first entry 7-minute. If it survives, then it's fine. And then later on, I may get 20-minute as well, and I'll take it. Sometimes what happens is the 7-minute entry comes and then SL hit at break even, and then only 20-minute entry. Next entry is 20-minute, and I take that and then make some pip. And sometimes both, right? So sometimes only 7-minute and never see a 20-minute, but 7-minute is like fast trade and end up 70, 80, 90, 100 pip trade. Not a problem. So this is how, that's why I have it like 7-minute entry here and then the 20-minute entry as well, right there. So now USD yen going to the upside, 65 pip from 7-minute chart. And this is USD yen. Again, same drama here as well. Well, that was a 7-minute entry, and this is a 20-minute entry. It's 115 pip on the second. Now this CAD yen on the second as well, from 20-minute chart, 80 pip here. Now this one, Euro Aussie, going down from here to here. Look at that, 160 pip. Right? This is the monster. This is like Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, Pound Aussie. They move big when they move, really. So on the third, you can see Bitcoin going to the downside, even though I had it that it's going to go up, but it went up a lot. So it had to retrace, right? So it was retracing, and I says, well, why missing, possible pips? So it's going to retrace anyway. And even a small retracement is a big one on, Bitcoin. So I took it. This one, Euro USD from 20-minute chart going to the down. Remember this one I showed you? And then this one also, 90 pip, because it had, target to the downside, way downside. Here, Euro Yen, this is the entry here for 120 pip. There's sell orders right there. SL move to break even plus. Now, this is a Bitcoin. Again, it made the turn and then start to go to the upside. And this is what it is. Buy orders right there. Right. And again, you see the Bitcoin from higher time frames. So 50, it's like, 5,000 box size chart. Okay, so these box sizes are like, this is about the Renko candle. All right, so if you sign up, you will understand. I'll teach you everything and all of that. Pound Aussie, this is going to the downside here, 115 pip. This is Pound Aussie, again, going to the upside, making the turn and then going to the upside. This is the key here. Like, for example, Pound Aussie, see that? If I say that, it's coming down here, okay, so I made the chart and then I wait. I get my entry right here and it dropped. So, and I cash out. Then I have a reversal candle, bullish reversal candle. Then I know that it's going to go up. So I wait for my entry, and then I get the entry, I take it, and then go, whatever the pivot it provides. So this is going to the long side, this is going to the downside, long, short, drama goes on. So this one here, okay, now this one, pound Aussie from 20-minute chart as well. Beautiful entry here, 135 pip. Euro Aussie going to the down, to the upside here. The move, ABC correction, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and going for 3, wave 3. If you know the Elliott wave count, that helps a lot. Pound Aussie 7-minute chart going to the upside here on the 6th Friday. Today is 60 pip here. And that was the chart that I just showed you. This is the chart I made from here, and then it end up here. That's how it is. Simple as that. I make my 40-minute chart first, and then I trade them if they start to work out. And this is the last one. Bitcoin going to the downside, big move to the downside here. Let me show you what move this is. And it's dropping. See this one here? I had it from here. That's gonna go all the way here for wave 3. So what happened is that, yeah, it went up there, but now I see that cannot be wave 3 because maybe it doesn't look like wave 4. So this could be like wave 1, 2, and then again 1, 2, followed by 3, 4, 5. Let's see what happens. If we stay here above this area, I have a long already here into this area. Right, so let's see what happened, how it turns out. If my SL hit, maybe it will drop to 66,857 and then go to the upside. But it is, if you pull the fib from this to this, let me show you. It is around, what the heck? Okay, see this fib from here to here, exactly at 78%, and this is a sloping TL, and it came and hit the TL, and then kind of like a stopping here. Let's see if it stops and go to the upside. Like I said, that I have along here, and let's see if it works out. Maybe I'm expecting not much because of the weekend, so maybe it will go up to 38%. Maybe, I don't know. Let's see what happens. All right, so this is it for now, and yeah. What I will say. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm going to start my webinars, weekly webinars twice a week. I stopped it for a while, and a lot of people are saying that I should start again. So I will start again because I end up making a daily recap video every day, which I'm missing, right? So a lot of reason, right? Family sickness and all that. So now my webinar Sunday 4 p.m. and Wednesday 4 p.m. will start from this Sunday. So I will send out the webinar link tomorrow, Saturday, everybody, my subscribers, and Sunday 4 o'clock I will hold the webinar where I'll go over everything and take questions and all of that. Right. So this is it for now. Enjoy your weekend and talk to you later soon.